Debunking common myths about credit repair and personal loans. Myth: closing old accounts improves your credit score. Fact: it can actually lower it. Myth: checking your credit report hurts your score. Fact: personal checks don't affect your score. Myth: paying off collections removes them from your report. Fact: they remain for 7 years. Myth: using a credit repair service guarantees a better score. Fact: results vary and aren't guaranteed. Visit our website www.australiancreditsolutions.com.au or call us on +61